Hey guys, what's going on? Kevin Cage back with another daily cryptocurrency video. Welcome to the channel. Like and subscribe if you like what you see and it's your first time here, and let's get right into the information. So, for those of you that have not seen my latest video on market cap discussing market capitalization in better depth and detail regarding the cryptocurrency space, stop this video, look at the top pinned comment right now of this YouTube video in the comments section. Click that, come back to this video later. Highly recommend it, and I want to hear your thoughts about it. I truly think that a lot of you will learn a lot, even if you've been in this space for a long time. All right, so to kick things off, I want to tie into some points here. Sherif just made this great blog on Coil talking about XRP. As we can see, XRP is the foundation here with gold, paper money, treasuries, bills, bonds, derivatives, a lot of different monetary values, stocks, you name it. And basically says payment is set and done. These two things showed me how XRP is the one that will back other assets. Now, this is a little speculation, so stay with me here. And basically, XRP Neo chimes in and says, yeah, I've had this thought as well. If they've somehow, referring to Ripple, the private company, secured cross-border payment settlements already, they would then expand into other use cases just as they're doing now. And then Sherif actually quotes David Schwartz. We are trying to solve a multi-trillion-dollar problem. Let us first solve that before shifting to other use cases. Now, I believe either David said this, or if not David, it was definitely Chris Larson, executive chairman of Ripple. And then Sherif says right here, that is what I thought of when David talked about other subjects and Ripple started focusing also on other things. And it's really interesting. And then again, the Peanut Butter Manifesto by Brad Garlinghouse. So it does make you wonder, do they already have all of this in the pipeline with XCurrent transitioning to XRapid or ODL now on-demand liquidity, and the regulations are coming? I'm not sure, because they are, with the Spring Initiative, like right here, guys, they've invested $500 million into Spring, or XSpring. I pronounce it Spring. That's how they want you to pronounce it. And, building other use cases on the XRP ledger. So it does make you wonder why they're putting all that money towards it, because they're also putting a lot of money towards different acquisitions in different, not only payment corridors and exchanges in other countries, but even partnering up with strategic partnerships and acquiring portions of MoneyGram, the second largest money transfer service. It does make you wonder, and you're just connecting the dots. So right here, Vanessa Pastrito, and they have actually Spring launch, proud to be with the Spring community. We got Ethan Beard, of course. And this is a really cool thing going on. So right now, you can see these presentations. They're talking about investing and partnering to build other use cases, invested in 20 plus companies. And so some of the top ones that we can already see here, we know Coil with micropayments and web monetization. We're familiar a little bit with PolySign. We know it's kind of a big name with a lot of potential. There's a lot of hype behind it. I need to look more into it, and I'm waiting for more news on it. But essentially, a way to custody digital assets. We have Securitize, which I've talked about in past videos with Coinbase and Ripple, investing and trying to get a piece of this multi-trillion-dollar market, especially because digital securities will be huge. It's well known. Even people in the securities industry agree that it's going to be digitized, tokenized, whatever word you want to use. Forte, we did a $100 million investment for them towards gaming developments regarding payments. Agoric, it's more so focused on smart contracts, enabling global economic cooperation, safe, simple way to program them. And then XRPL Labs, signing app and cold storage. It's just a full-time team of developers that are developing applications on the XRP ledger. Some other ones we can see here, we know, there's Flare, Coil, XRP Tipbot, Equilibrium we've seen before, Styra, Stronghold, which is another tech and solutions firm focusing on the future of finance. So they have some huge players here, and these are to partner or be new partner nodes on Interledger Testnet. These are the type of little developments that you think are nothing because it's not moving the price that will actually be fundamental in the future. So again, this is what I want to see. All right, and then to finish up this quick video update, I saw Rob Cash share this actually. So this is regarding Binance US for those of you that are curious. So Binance US, the new US version of their exchange, has more liquidity already than Gemini in only 9 days of being launched. And they don't really have many currency pairs. I believe they had like 28 currency pairs. And again, yeah, right here, 28 trading pairs at the time. Now, just so you know, Binance, the original exchange, the international exchange of Binance, their trade volume today has been $740 million US dollars. Coinbase Pro, daily volume of 152 million. So Binance is a monster. It is way above Coinbase, but in terms of US, right now, this is kind of written weird, but it says, when compared to Gemini, Binance US has a daily volume of 2 million against 16 million USD from the exchange created by the Winklevoss twins. So they're catching up very, very quickly. I mean, and honestly, this is still less than $1 billion right here, the 740 million, and we're in a bear market. Wait until the money really starts pumping. I think to see several billion will not surprise me whatsoever. So again, guys, this is kind of just an informal quick video update. I primarily want you guys to see that market cap video. I want to hear your thoughts on Spring and these developments. If you think this will be significant in the future, I personally have my eye on Securitize. Honestly, all of these. I can't even pick one. I was going to say Securitize, Coil, PolySign, and Forte, but at that point, that's already almost all of them right here alone. So let me know your thoughts down below, guys, and I will see you in the next one.